it's way too far. You can't even see. Yeah, you can't see with all the cars over there. It's somebody's house. It's Bill Corn's car. Dude, look at this Spadana, that's sick. It's like a little square. Loco Lobo. Loco BB.
That's who you look like? No way, I hate those. Gatorade head.
That's sick. Have a lot of character. I like this one the most. Huh? This is like a mafia car back in the day. It has like the wheel cut. I wonder if you can like unlock it. This thing, I don't know. Maybe. I can't tell. It's crazy. This one was here like years ago too. I have a picture of it. Originally, it's probably been coming here since like the show's been going on.
Challenger 72.
Isn't this like the one in Fast and Furious? It's just different color. Camara? Right there. Oh, dude. Dad's Camaro could be here, but it's being held captive right now. A lot of subs here.
You know, you and your sister are going to split everything.
Twins.
Working on that art car about 3 months left in that car. And the contract says leave it over.
Their cars? Probably so early. I wonder if it's like assigned spaces, or it's like you as you come.
At the same time.
Yeah. What is this thing? Is that the original Corvette?
Corvette.
This one? Chevrolet Corvette. Same, me too. I know. It's like a glove, dude. This one says 60 Corvette, or it's a resto mod. Yeah, the engine looks too clean. Yeah, dude, I would be scared to put anything in there. What is this? Rusties. I feel like we've seen this somewhere.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I love the ceiling on this thing. Beautiful.
Look at that. Never seen that before. Roxy. This car's name is Roxy. Oh, I see. Yeah, I see. You're saying it's his car, obviously. Everything's here. It's the newest car here.
So they go on the Plymouth right here. So there is some more.
probably outside. Like, he's probably mad he couldn't get in. That's mom's car right there. Purple and pink, dude. That's pretty gangster. It's like some Bonnie and Clyde. Jokes. Yeah. That one's got a mini. Yeah. You gotta attach it in the back and it follows. Oh, right here? What the? I didn't even notice that. I guess it wouldn't be too windy because it has like the back windshield.
That guy took over Ruby, so I stopped going. He's got enough money to buy a bike. He's got enough money.
Go check out, self-check out. You didn't have a line, going different directions and that.
Dude, look at it has cassettes. Yeah. It's got an 8-track. Yeah, it has an 8-track player. This is like a, you know how they have golf carts nowadays? This is like the old version. A little tiny mirror. There's so many like things attached to people's cars for this shit. There's like babies on the one up there. There's this little one, there's the green little one. This little one. Should go back around too. It's not as high end here as it looks in like Bubbles and Hermosa. Pretty much. Everyone just chills, yeah. Hotel Redondo Beach, 1925 or 1890, demolished 1925, early 1900s. Bathing companies were not allowed to show their thighs on the beach in the early 1900s.
Everybody dresses like that.
Yeah, I know. Kind of nice. Redondo Roller Rink. Apparently it's called the Horseshoe Pier back then.
That's a dream come true.
For like 4 hobbies in there. This is the In-N-Out car. What is this CD? Happy Days. Yeah. Dude, that'd be cool.